Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, welcome to One Best Trade. In this video, I am going to discuss how to place basket orders in Fyers web. Very recently, Fyers web introduced this much sought after and also much wanted feature, that is basket order. Using this basket order, how you can execute multi-leg option strategies, how you can place your stock SIP in Fyers web. Come, let's explore. For example, you are an option seller, you want to sell 15,700 Nifty straddle. Using basket order, all you need to do is just go and press the basket order button and then create a new basket button. So here you can give a name. Since we are selling Nifty straddle, you can mention as a Nifty straddle and then search for symbols. Here, since we are selling 15,000 straddle, we need to select 15,700 call option. 15 Nifty 15,700 call option you select, and then since we are a seller, make it from buy to sell. And if you want to sell for a positional, you can select margin, and also if you want to sell with a limit price, you can select a limit price also, and then add button, press it. So again we need to add one more leg, so we want to select Nifty 15,700 PE. So just select, since we are a seller, make it sell and press add button. So now our basket is ready. Just go and place it. You can also modify any time before placing the order. Just go and edit button. If you want to increase the quantity, you can do it. So then modify it and press the place button to execute. Since market is closed, order is not executed. Now you want to add new basket. You want to execute Bank Nifty iron condor strategy using the basket order. Come, let's explore how you can place the Bank Nifty iron condor strategy using the basket order. Just click the new basket button and then give a name. Since we are executing the Bank Nifty iron condor, you can give a same name and then choose the respective strike prices. Since it is now trading around 35,000, select the strike price first. We are selecting 35,300 call option, and since first leg we are selling, select sell, then press add button, and then we are selecting 34,700 put option. We are also selling this. Okay. Then we are giving a protection 35,500 call option. We are buying. Just create and just add it, and then 34,500 put option also we are buying as a protection. Now your strategy is ready. You can execute all the 4 legs in a one go. Just go and press place button. Automatically your orders will go to exchange. Now let's see how you can create a stock SIP. Again, you need to click add new basket and then give a name. Since we are creating a stock SIP, you can give the same name and then select the stocks which you want to add it to this basket. Go and search for a stock name and select it. Press add button, and you can specify the quantity also, whether it's since your SIP is for a long-term investing, so you can change it to CNC and go and click add button. The same way you can see, you can add multiple symbols. So now you want to add ACC and again specify the quantities and keep adding the number of stocks, and then you just go and press the place button. Automatically all the stocks will get bought. So this is how you can create a stock SIP Hey guys, this is how you can utilize this basket order feature in Fyers web so that you can save time and also slippage. If you like this video, please comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you.